Hello everybody, welcome back to the ACS YouTube channel. I'm back at ACS, and yeah, let's get into the voice call and start routes.
Your game and press hide labels. That will hide all of the player names, and then you list a game name. Thank you for coming to ACS routes today. Johnny, you can pull out first. Oh yeah, all drivers made apart. Station 1, God dang. Portable $1 drivers, you may now
Okay, because no one else is moving, I'm just gonna go.
Y'all can depart. Oh, wait, Ronan. Carius is gone.
I know.
John Flores, you're clear to depart. And bus 80, Tony, you're
That's not
curious. Oh shoot! Well, I didn't have my name speaker on, so I didn't know.
You can go. You can go, members. I'm waiting. Actually, no, I'm just gonna go.
Just go, thank you.
All drivers can 80, Tony, you can go. Like I said before, please be dismissed.
Radio clear, I'm trying to make a call.
Sorry.
79 to 72. '79 to 72.
Ethan, I think he's AFK.
10-4.
I am station 1 today. Well, at least until Vinciente gets back. So if you need to make a call, call into me. Ethan, station 2. No, god dang it, portable, not station. Station's Midland. Oh, I RTO. Portable, not station, okay? Portable $1 drivers, I know this is kind of random, but please make sure you're stopping at all of your stops and make sure you're not skipping any.
79 to base. Or is our portable one?
Go.
I do not have an HS route.
Take 78's HS for today.
10-4.
Okay.
I remember.
The Wi-Fi bomb is off, and put it back right. But hopefully you guys didn't miss this much. Too much.
Y'all have 10 minutes, so please don't be rushed. If you're late, please call it into Portal 1.
Austin, the funny thing is that I remember 78's route like the back of my hand.
That's pretty interesting. Welcome to the game, Swag Cat. Portable 1 to Johnny. 84. Portable 1 to Johnny, 84.
79 to 84, Austin is calling you.
Yeah, my game crashed.
10-4, I...
I'm rejoining the server, don't worry.
Great.
Ready to continue with the route. Hello?
I was making sure that my Discord didn't give me crap.
Okay, portable $1 drivers, please be to the school, the HS by 8. Welcome back, Ethan.
79 to portable 1.
Go ahead.
I will be AFK for a minute.
10-4. I will also be away for just a second. You're back. Portable $1 drivers, I'm going to restart my computer. I will be back and with you just a second.
Before you leave, let me give you a tip. When you start up your game, hit Control Alt Delete and then set your rigs and routes to high priority.
Alright, 10-4.
You honking at? You honking at?
That's why Doug is Mr. Chicken. It's not the burger. And not the Mr. Chicken.
Please put your, push to talk on. Swag cat. Swag cat.
It's not supposed to. And I'm not the Mr.
69 is swag cat.
Yes,
Go ahead.
Please turn your, push to talk on. We can hear your background noise.
Hello?
Hello, Ethan.
Daniel leave all is coming except for Willie.
I guess.
Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm back.
I'm very sorry, guys. The Wi-Fi is being rebooted right now as we speak. The Wi-Fi is being junk every time, and it happened at the worst time as always. So I'm going to be late for my. I'm probably not going to be doing my high school. I'm just going to be doing my middle school.
10-4.
10-4.
Ethan,
There's no need to
Go ahead,
do
read,
that.
please. Go ahead.
I was gonna ask what provider do you have?
Cock.
What? He can hear you, Ethan.
That's because Ethan left.
Hello?
Hey.
Yeah, here. So,
Enjoy. Once again, please be to the school by 19. You'll be late at 8.
I'll be right back.
10-4.
Third floor. Caution, incoming spawn of bus.
$79 to base. Or portable one. $79 a portable one.
Go ahead.
I am having power steering
I'm
liquid.
back.
Alright, time for power steering liquid leaking from from the steering wheel. It's leaking all over my floor, and and like my engine feels, it smells, and my bus smells very smoky.
10-4. Talk to Johnny. I think my game crashed.
It's like your engine might want to blow.
10-4.
Or it sounds like your steering wheel might want to pop off.
I'll be with you guys shortly.
I mean, it has.
10-4.
Sorry for me to take long already.
Swag Cat, can you please pull up?
10-4.
Thank you.
Please only unload on the gray part. If you're not on the gray part, you gotta wait until you are on the gray part to unload. You gotta wait till the buses move.
Swag Cat, are you gonna move up?
I've been pulled up.
Oh, I can't. Please pull up all the way until the gray ends.
sorry guys, the network. Idiots.
Y'all can unload in 1 minute.
57 to portable one.
Swag Cat, please move up to where my person is standing.
What?
Please move to where my person is standing.
They're fine.
I'm fine. I'm unloading. You might be talking about someone else. I'm all the way up.
Hey, that's weird. It's not showing up on my screen, but
Well, up here, I'm behind John.
10-4.
57, the portable one. Austin.
Austin, you're getting a call.
Okay. Ethan, 72, are you still there? No, okay.
Ethan.
Go ahead.
Ronan was calling you.
Go ahead, Ronan.
Are we doing unloading those?
Yep, that's Sam.
Okay, I'm just making sure, because things like...
Tony, are you going to be late or are you just... Did you crash? Austin, where...
Austin.
I think he's AFK for a second. 78, can you pull up, please? Or 79, sorry. No, 70. What bus is that? 76?
Yeah, because my power
Why is it
steering.
76?
Because my power.
Oh, okay. No, pull up. No.
He's the base.
Go ahead, AD.
She'll be heading to HS. I'm gonna be.
You'll be considered late at 25. Curious, just try not looking at... That's all I can
I'm
say
not
to you
having
right now.
back issues. I kept leaving, trying to fix it.
10, 4.
Swag Cat, are you lagging?
A little bit. Hold on. Give me.
Can I go around you? I'll just go around you.
If this time it doesn't work, I'm just gonna dispatch for today.
Never give up, boss. Never give up.
Well, if my stupid computer doesn't end up working, then that's what's gonna happen.
I have the same computer as you. What is different between yours and mine?
I don't know. My computer must be hot.
Well, turn the fans on. It's built with...
What do you think I'm doing?
Senses. Turn them on max.
They're on max.
Okay. 77, I'm going around you. You were lagging.
Bad frame drop.
Austin.
10-4.
Austin.
Go.
It's your computer. Your computer is overheating. That's why it's having so many problems.
Okay.
Drivers, you may
Well, I'm
start
getting
loading at the
1.9
next school
FPS.
at 32, I believe.
Yeah, 32. Oh,
Austin, just let your computer relax for a second.
no.
Oh, then
Dang.
you can't really solve the overheating problem.
Well, I have my fans on max, so I don't know what to tell my computer. It's either gonna grow a pair of balls and grow up, or it's gonna not work.
You're gonna
One
have
of the
to
two.
turn. You're gonna have to turn it off. If it's not gonna fix itself, if it doesn't.
RTO. Austin, if you're fine right now and if you haven't crashed, then...
Well, I can't look at people. I'm having the same exact problem literally anybody else is having. Oh, your bus is smoking, Tony. Press G and you'll be set.
Tony's team.
Oh, I'm attempt to look at the city. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna be super mad. Oh, and there goes my game. Alright, I'm just gonna be the dispatcher for today. I'm just gonna dispatch for. If any of y'all need me, just let me know.
I'm still thankful for 9 drivers. That's like a first for ACS.
We've seen better.
No, we haven't.
We've
9
seen
drivers
like
is
12.
no, well, I mean, like on the server, we've had 9 as the best. We haven't had 10 because your Chromebook today.
Yeah. Not gonna deny. It's only at 114 degrees.
Now see how much FPS I'm getting. Ooh, 200.
Go ahead.
Oh,
I'm base today. Go ahead.
base.
Technically port 1. Go ahead. I'm sorry, who what?
Like, it's taking my door forever to
If they're taking forever, that's probably not a good thing. If you're moving and you open your doors and you're in drive, you gotta put your bus in neutral, then you gotta put it back in drive. That's my best advice for you to do.
I don't open it whenever I'm driving.
Okay.
Ethan, check Telegram in a minute.
10-4.
Check Telegram, Ethan.
No, it was not Reese. No, it was not.
Okay.
I was just asking if you were recording, but I didn't want to interrupt.
10-4.
Hey, Austin.
Go ahead.
Oh, I forgot you're not even in the game. But did you realize that I took off the lights on the
On the what?
like the bar on the bottom?
Yeah, I noticed that. It's cool.
The light bars on what?
The light bar is no longer functional, but it's still. Since everyone left last time, I asked them what they had for dinner because y'all are salty.
At least some people are.
I'm going to ask early. So, starting off with Austin 89, what'd you have for dinner today?
RTO.
No.
Yeah.
Austin, this is an ACS tradition daily.
We do that
Or
at the end of routes, not at the
Yeah,
beginning.
did you not hear me? I said that people left last time.
Uh-huh.
People left last time, so I didn't get to ask them. So I said I'm gonna say it early. I swear, if you guys are turning, oh, I'm going the wrong way. I swear, if you guys are going to the ES already. Ooh. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Please be to the school in 3 minutes.
Ronan, please watch where you're going. Thank you.
Exactly.
Watch who?
Where you're going.
I might hop on for ES, but I'm not sure.
You can just start doing the U-turn thing in front of me.
I didn't do U-turn. I just had an issue.
I'm gonna try hopping on now. If it doesn't work, because my computer says it's at 87 degrees apparently.
Wait, what time can we unload? Or, yeah, no.
I think it's 32. I don't even.
My computer never has problems.
Austin, what time could we start loading?
30.
32.
Ethan, are you gonna attack the rest of us? Or are you
Well, I
just gonna...
was going to, but Austin yelled at me.
Okay, we can do it. Fine.
Okay, Austin, would you have?
I had a pork chop.
Ethan Farmer, what'd you have for dinner? Someone translate what he said.
I have no idea. His mic sounds like it's stuffed up his butt.
Yeah, his mic is really low. I
His
can
mic
barely
is so bad.
hear- And I haven't turned up all the way.
Okay, Ethan Farmer, just repeat what you said one time. I'm gonna listen closely.
Ethan Farmer.
10 for Ethan Farmer. Johnny, what'd you have?
You missed yourself.
My computer
Yeah,
didn't
usually so.
die, so that's good.
I feel like Johnny had Subway. I feel like that's what he had, but he didn't. Oh, okay. Having breakfast for dinner. I love that.
Brainer.
I have 0.9 FPS.
What did John have?
There goes my game. Shoot.
What? Ethan,
No, I am not parked in Johnny. I can't even see Johnny. So,
Do you not have the CEs installed?
I do have the CEs installed. What do you think I'm driving right now?
On my screen, you're inside someone.
Okay, well then I'm gonna move. 10-4.
Move to the third spot.
You guys may start unloading.
83 to portable
Portable who? 1 or 2?
1.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna be a minute late.
10 for.
Can somebody please stream what they're seeing, because I can't see Johnny or John. So that's just great. So if anybody could do that, that would be just 10 out of 10 awesome.
It might just be your game, Maurice. And also, Ethan, you kind of just stopped from John from asking the dinner.
Yeah, well, John was asking me a question. What bus is that? 80? 80, you're smoking.
Hello?
What part do you
Hi,
have last? Get rid of it.
G.
Permission to relog.
Hello? Okay, there we go.
Okay, RTO guys. Permission granted, Spycat. Go ahead, whoever's in front of you.
RTO, you haven't finished asking us.
Okay, John. John 83, what'd you have today?
I'm eating a pizza right now.
67 carries, what'd you have for dinner?
Some beef and noodles.
Where you at? 67, can you please do 69 for ES?
10-4.
Ramen noodles, what'd you have?
Let me know who I need to double load today. Can somebody share this?
Austin, thanks for talking over me, 1. And 2, I had beef aroni.
Ronan, you're being so feisty today.
I'm always like this.
Mitch.
Okay, RTO.
Ethan,
For,
Portable 2 to Reese, what'd you have for dinner?
Oh, I haven't had dinner yet, but I think I'm probably gonna have like some chicken strips or something. I don't know. I don't even like to eat.
Yeah, that's why you're so short. Portable 2 to Spycat.
Chicken.
Bitch, don't talk out the side of your neck or I'm gonna slap you upside the head.
Oh, 80, what'd you have for dinner today?
I'm just kidding, Ethan. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
I'm just acting like Zaz.
Okay, RTO is now in effect.
Ethan, can you share your screen so I can see what's going on? Thanks.
That's cool, Johnny. My,
What?
that's sometimes what my dad says.
That's what Johnny says when he wants to play with his friends.
That's nice.
What?
You gotta leave that Discord.
Drivers, if we're going to pull over, can we pull into the right lane and not the left?
Hey, Curious. Is Zaz mean to you?
Okay, RTO. Reese, you can ask him later.
10-4 cheer, bud.
Ethan,
Go ahead.
do I need to let anybody know if they need to double load any routes?
No, it's fine today. Just tell them what time they have to do this one.
Please be to the school by 49. Please be to the ES/pre-K by 49. You'll be late at 55. After, get to the lot by 9. You should be there at least by 9. Please do your post trip once you get there. Thank you.
Nathan, I'm going to send you something in Telegram in a minute when I get to my first stop. No, I wasn't talking to you, Ethan Farmer. I was talking to 72.
Please say our regular bus numbers, not our names.
Sorry. 72, I will be sending something to you in Telegram in a minute.
10, 4, 7, 9.
I'll be right back.
10, 4.
10. Nice blinker.
Hee hee.
My computer's really cold.
I'm so, oh, she's so.
RTO.
Do you have reshade on?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So why not?
Johnny, please your lock.
If possible.
$72, please check Telegram.
No clue what you said, Ethan. Put it in your post trip form, and Johnny will take a look at it after route. "72 to base. 72 to portable 1, sorry.
Go ahead.
What time do we have to be at the school?
Please be there by 49.
76 to portable 1. My bus accidentally flipped over because my pedal cable became unhooked. Do you want me to just backspace?
Yeah, please do
because
that.
You have 2 spares, I mean, yeah.
Yeah. 'Cause you really want an HDX.
No, I don't want an HDX.
Seems like it.
No, I don't.
Austin,
Go ahead.
can we not pick fights with drivers, please?
Okay. One on 3D and one on video encode.
It's okay, Austin. I'm not trying to get an HDX. I'm not that kind of person.
It's fine.
Austin is.
Well,
He was begging me in the beginning of routes.
that's debatable.
Hey, John Flo,
I did not see you in the last
how you doing?
You should talk. Reese P,
Go ahead.
are you streaming or are you recording?
I'm recording.
Austin, can you please take a bus number?
Sorry.
Please. Not like intermediate.
Yep. Okay, please be to school in 6 minutes. BK 8:49. Delayed at 8:55. And once you get back to the lot, please do your pre-trip. I mean post-trip. Oh my god.
$79 to all drivers. I have a cake at the back of the office when you get back to lot. Please come to the back of the office of where we can eat the cake together, okay?
The cake is a lie.
It'll poison you.
No, it won't. I'm not that mean.
Hmm. Good try.
I will also have some Dr. Pepper at the back of there.
Oh, count me in. Count me in.
and I will give you half of my paycheck.
Oh, count me right in.
You guys get paid?
Yup,
Yeah, we get paid.
$5 an hour. What you
Johnny,
bring it to the
Johnny,
table?
please relax. Not relog. Sorry. RTO, guys.
80 the portable one.
Go ahead.
I have a tape with someone that just came on my
10-4. What?
I had a check engine light come on.
Oh, okay. I don't know, Reese. When you were my assistant manager,
I got it. Okay.
assistant
Be quiet,
mechanic, did you
Austin.
inspect that bus?
Austin, be quiet.
What?
Can you please repeat what you said?
He said that he had a check engine light come on 80.
AD?
80, yeah. Drives bus 80, I believe.
80 bud.
Johnny's here. Johnny. Okay, if it's still drivable, please drive it. Because checking engine light's not that major. As long as if it says warning engine or something like that, then yeah, stop the bus and we'll get the.
There's a red engine light, then you're screwed.
Yeah, I think he has the orange one.
Oh, then you should be fine, theoretically.
Can we unload now?
Nope. 3 minutes.
Something.
Everybody, please have your doors closed until 49. Keep those kiddos warm.
Portable 2 to 66. You're at the wrong school.
Hold on, wait, he is?
Yeah. 66 goes to the pre.
Okay, 66. Portable 1 to 66. Can you please go up to the pre-K? Please. Ethan, could you open your map real quick?
Please, 76 to all drivers. Included with the cake and the Dr. Pepper, we will have some Sprite and free GTA copies given out.
Okay, RTO, please.
Yeah, Reese.
Otherwise, we'll have to put you on the short bus. Reese, please get in your bus and shut your doors. Thank you. Thank you. Ethan, who's all at the pre-K right now?
Go ahead, 66. 84, you are not parked in the right position.
Oh yeah, please have your door up on that little bump part and have your bus pulled up there
And
so
then
you can get out more easily.
Whoever's him, yeah, 57, just pull up to that little, don't go like him. Just
Pull up.
Pull up a little bit.
We'll tell you when we're good.
Okay, 10-4, 66, just go to waiting for staff after routes.
Ooh, what's the tea?
Nothing.
Reese?
Non-staff member. Oh, that was kind of mean. Sorry.
80, we'll check your bus after routes and see if they check engine light on. Johnny?
Ethan, since you know how to use... Okay, you all are clear to unload and go. Once you are unloaded, you may depart to the, lot. Please do your post trip there, but please make sure you unload all of your students. If you really want